I'm South Florida attorney Greg Ward. If you're watching this video, you're looking for information about motorcycle accidents or motorcycle accident attorneys. Maybe you or someone close to you was recently involved in a motorcycle accident. We made this video to answer some of the questions that you have when you're dealing with a motorcycle accident claim. You know, I've been riding motorcycles for almost 20 years. The first motorcycle I had was a 1971 Honda Scrambler that I bought for $200 and I built myself. My dad and I would ride together for many years. If there's one thing that riding motorcycles has taught me, it's that it's not always safe, and an accident that happens on a motorcycle can be fatal where it would just be a fender bender in a car. If you lived in South Florida for more than a month, you'll realize that our streets here are not always safe. And so there are many motorcycle accidents that happen every day here. And these accidents can be very serious. So if you've been in a motorcycle accident, you may have questions about how to pay your medical bills and what to do when you've been involved in this kind of serious accident. So what do you do if you or someone you love been seriously hurt in a motorcycle accident? Well, the first question that you have is, what kind of doctor should I see? If you're fortunate enough to not be in the hospital, you'll want to see your general practitioner, but don't be afraid to ask for a referral to specialists. One of the big problems with motorcycle accidents is many times you'll have nerve damage, which won't show up for days or weeks after the accident. So don't be afraid to ask for a referral to be evaluated for nerve damage and perhaps get an MRI, because that's the only way to be sure to document all of your injuries that you have. The second question is, who will pay for my medical bills? And who will pay for the time I miss from work? Well, there's two insurance policies which apply for motorcycle claims. There's your policy and the policy of the other driver. If the other driver hit you, you're entitled to receive compensation for the damages, both for your medical bills and for any injuries that you may suffer. It's important to talk to attorneys when handling these claims, because there are attorneys who focus their practice on helping people who've been injured as a result of a motorcycle accident. When you're looking for an attorney, obviously the internet is a good place to start, but you want to ask for information from these attorneys to make sure that you feel comfortable hiring them and they can understand your claims. Don't be afraid to ask about the kinds of cases they've handled, the successes they've had, and if they're ready to take your case to trial. Because many times lawyers will handle cases, but they won't actually try the cases. That means go to trial. And in those cases, many times insurance companies don't take those lawyers as seriously as they take other lawyers who they know can take the case all the way through to a jury. We hope we've answered some of your questions. To get information from our firm, log on to our website at thecoveragelawyer.com or pick up the phone and call us at the number on your screen to arrange a time to speak to a lawyer for free.